Here's how to order a physical card in the Union Bank online app. So step number 1 is to log into the app. So open the UB online app on your mobile and then log in using your credentials. So that could be your username and passwords or biometrics if enabled. Step number 2 is to access your account details. So once logged in, navigate to the account details section. This is usually available from the main dashboard or the menu section within the app. Step number 3 is to actually go and order a physical card. So in the account details page, look for the option to order a physical card and tap on it. Then fill in the required details such as your delivery address and any other necessary information. Step number 4, which is the final step, is to complete the order process. So review the details you have provided to ensure they are accurate. Once confirmed, submit the request to order your physical card and you will receive a confirmation notification within the app once the request is successfully submitted. The bank will notify you of the processing time and when the card will be delivered. So now you know how to order a physical card in the Union Bank app. If this video was helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to my channel. And with that being said, I will see you in the next video.